Hi students, hope you are doing well. Today in this class we can learn about circles. Circle and what are the different parts of the circle. Okay, look here. First, circle. You know the shape of the circle? Do you know? A circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed or a given point. That fixed point is called the center. Look here. First you have to take one fixed point. This is the center of the circle. Just you have to take one point. A fixed point. This is a given point. This is the center of the circle. Next you have to take some distance. For example, 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters away from the center, you have to put one point. For example, this is the distance between center and point is 2 centimeters. Center nunchi 2 centimeters away a point. Put a point. Next, again same distance. So, inko point pettamఅనుకున్నారు. ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? From left or right. ఎక్కడ వచ్చారు? పైన కింద ఎక్కడ వచ్చారు? Next, at like same distance, you have to arrange some points from the same distance, 2 centimeters. You have to arrange some points 2 centimeters away from the center point. Joining all the points, we get the circle. Okay, this is the circle. This is one circle. Okay, this fixed point is called the center. So, look here, circle is a set of points. These are the points. Set of points equal distance from a fixed point. Equal distance. Here we are taking 2 centimeters. ekkada తీసుకున్నాము the distance is equal. ekkada తీసుకున్నాము that is the equal distance. So circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point or a given point. So a set of points equidistant from a point is called the circle. That fixed point is called the center. First, that fixed point is called the center. Next, this equal distance. Equal distance that is called the radius. That equal distance is called the radius. Look here. You know the line segment. Line segment is nothing but a straight path from one point to the another point. Last classes lo chusagada a straight path from one point to the another point is a line segment. Here a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius. So indake chusam kada o fixed point తీసుకొని next circle form చేస్తే this is the circle, this is the fixed point. A line segment from a center, the fixed point is called the center. Okay, a line segment from the center of a circle to any point on the circle. This is any point on the circle is called the radius. That is called the radius. Radius is denoted by r. Radius is denoted by r. A line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius. This is one radius. This is the another one. But any value r is same in one circle. ఒక సర్కిల్ తీసుకున్నామంటే దాంట్లో రేడియస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్. ఎందుకంటే ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ అని కదా మనం తీసుకున్నాము. సో రేడియస్ ఎక్కడైనా తీసుకోండి, రేడియస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్. So a line segment from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius. Okay. Next, after the radius, diameter. Diameter. Diameter is nothing but simply double of the radius. And the line segment joining 2 points on a circle and passing through the center is called the diameter. For example, this is one circle. This is the center. మామూలుగా జనరల్ ఫస్ట్ మనం డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు సెంటర్ తీసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ ఈక్వల్ డిస్టెన్స్ తో సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేస్తాము. ఓకే, ద లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ జాయినింగ్ 2 points అనే సర్కిల్. జస్ట్ we are taking any 2 points A, B. Here we are taking 2 points A and B. The line segment joining 2 points and a circle passing through the center. Passing through the center. Passing through the center is called the diameter. Is called the diameter. In the radius and the line segment from a center of a circle to any point on the circle is called the radius. Then radius, this is radius, double of the radius. This is another radius. Totally r plus r. This is the line segment joining 2 points on the circle passing through the center. So this is the diameter and the diameter is denoted by d. So d and r plus r. So double of the radius is also called the diameter. So first of all, the line segment joining 2 points on a circle and passing through the center is called the diameter. Passing through the center. Ikkada center undi, center nunchi manaki elali. So this is also a diameter. Diameter is denoted by d. D is equal to r plus r. That is 2r. Diameter. Diameter is denoted by d. Ikkada d annappudu r plus r. So that is 2r. D is equal to 2r. Adhe half of the diameter is radius. అంటే ఇక్కడ d by 2 is equal r. ఇది కంప్లీట్ గా అయితే diameter అవుతుంది. దాంట్లో half అన్నప్పుడు radius అవుతుంది. Double of the radius is the diameter. The half of the diameter is the radius. Okay. Next one is the chord. A line segment which joins 2 points on a circle is called the chord. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ diameter అన్నప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకున్నాము, the line segment joining 2 points. ఇక్కడ కూడా line segment which joins 2 points on a circle. But here diameter passing through the center of the circle. Passing through the center of the circle. ఇక్కడ which joins 2 points on a circle is called the chord. అంటే chord అనేసరికి మనకి passing through the center అనే కండిషన్ ఇక్కడ ఉండదు. అంటే look here, this is the circle. అంటే ఇది center అనుకుంటే just a line segment which joins 2 points on a circle. 2 points on a circle is called the chord. For example, A and B. These are A and B are 2 points on a circle joining A and B to get a chord. The longest chord is a diameter. So this is one chord. This is another chord. This is one more chord. And any chord joining any chord, longest chord is called the diameter. This is the diameter. And వీటిలో this is the longest chord. Longest chord is the diameter. First, chord means a line segment which joins 2 points on a circle is called the chord. A line segment which joins 2 points, any 2 points on the circle, joining any 2 points on the circle is called the chord. Longest chord is called the diameter. Next one is the arc. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇందాక కర్వ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ పార్ట్ AB ఇక్కడ ఒకటి వస్తుంది, లేదా ఇటు వస్తుంది. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ పాయింట్, టేక్ ఏ పాయింట్ X, this is a point Y. Here AXB is called the arc. అంటే a portion of a circle is called the arc. A portion of the circle is called the arc. For example, this is one circle. One minute. This is one circle. Here you are taking one chord. This is the chord or another chord type. Just take any 2 points. This is A, this is B. Portion of a circle. And AB is one portion of the circle. AB is some portion of the circle. AB is called the circle, arc. The portion of a circle is called the arc. So arc is denoted by like this. AB arc. This curve kada itlus. AB arc. Then if the circumference of a circle is divided into two equal parts, into unequal parts, then circumference. This is called the circumference. Circle in this part is called the circumference. Then figures తీసుకుంటున్నాం కదా ఈ చుట్టూ వస్తుంది పెరిమీటర్ అది సర్కిల్స్ లో సర్కంఫరెన్స్. సో ఇఫ్ ద సర్కంఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సర్కిల్ ఈస్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ టూ అన్ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్, అంటే అక్కడ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండదు. సో ఇది చూడండి, ఇది బిగ్గెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉంది, ఇది స్మాలర్ పార్ట్ ఉంది, దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాంగర్ పార్ట్. ఇప్పుడు లార్జర్ పార్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దిస్ స్మాలర్ పార్ట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద మైనర్ ఆర్క్. స్మాలర్ part is called the minor arc. This bigger or larger part is called the major arc. Major arc. Here AX తీసుకుంటే AXB is the minor arc. AXB is the minor arc. For example, here any one point B, then AYB is the major arc. And portion of a circle is called the arc. Portion of the circle is called the arc. If the circumference of a circle is divided into two unequal parts, the smaller part is known as the minor arc. Smaller part. The smaller part is known as the minor arc and the larger part is known as the major arc. Okay, this is the arc. Next one, segment. Next one is the segment. Segment is nothing but the area between a chord of a circle and the corresponding arc is called a segment of the circle. అంటే ఇందాక చూసాం కదా కర్డ్ ఏంటి ఆర్క్ ఏంటి అనేది. లుక్ హియర్, this is one circle. Here, this is take any 2 points A and B on the circumference. Joining A and B, you get the chord, and this is the arc AB. This is the minor arc. Here, find this number. That is the major arc. The area between a chord of a circle and the corresponding arc is called the segment of the circle. Segment of the circle. And for example, take this part. This is the one segment. The smaller part in the this is the minor segment. ఇది larger part in the this is the major segment. అక్కడ minor arc, major arc అన్నట్లు ఇక్కడ కూడా minor segment, major segment. Okay, segment means the area between a chord of a circle and the corresponding arc, and the corresponding arc is called a segment of the circle. Or area edaithe untundo that is the segment of the circle. So smaller segment is called the minor segment. Smaller segment is called the minor segment. Larger segment is called the major segment. This is the about segment. Next one is the sector. Sector is nothing but part of a circle formed between two radii and the circumference is called the sector. And for example, take one circle. This is the center of the circle and this is one radius. Take one more radius. This is another one. Part of a circle formed between two radii. Radius is the singular, radii is the plural. Two radii and the circumference is called the sector. These this is one radius, this is the another radius, and this is the circumference, and some portion of the circle is called a sector, and this part is called the sector. This part is called the sector. And ఇందాక చూసినది ఏంటి, segment. That is the segment. Look here. Segment అన్నప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది, area between a chord of a circle and the corresponding arc is called the segment of a circle. అంటే ఇక్కడ chord corresponding arc తీసుకుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, 2 radii and the circumference, and the circumference is called the sector. Is called the sector. Part of a circle formed between 2 radii and circumference is called the sector. Here also smaller part is the minor sector, that is the major sector. అంటే ఇక్కడ remaining portion is also called the sector. అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 radii, ఇవి 2 రేడియస్ వస్తాయి, ఈ పోర్షన్ కూడా ఈ సర్కంఫరెన్స్, రిమైనింగ్ సర్కంఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది కదా, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద మేజర్ సెక్టర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మైనర్ సెక్టర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ద మేజర్ సెక్టర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, secant. Secant. Secant is nothing but a line that intersects a circle or a curve in 2 places is called secant. Is called a secant. So for example, take one circle, this is the center. The line that intersects, you know the line, what is the definition of a line? A line segment extending on both sides infinitely, that is called the line segment extending on both sides is called the line. You have learned in previous classes. So here a line that intersects a circle or a curve in 2 places. For example, this is one point A, this is another point B. So one line is passing through A and B. A and B. So the line that intersects a circle in 2 places. Here in 2 places this line is intersecting the circle. So this is called the secant. Secant of a circle. Okay. So one more time. Look here. First you have to take any one fixed point and arrange a set of points equidistant from a fixed point. That is a circle. Circle is nothing but a set of points equal distance from a fixed point. A set of points equal distance from a fixed point is called a circle. Is called a circle. That fixed point is called the center. That fixed point is called the center. This equal distance is called the radius. Double of the radius is called the diameter, or that means d is equal to r plus r to r, or half of the diameter is called the radius. Half of the diameter is called the radius. Next, joining any 2 points on the circle is called the chord. Longest chord is called the diameter. Longest or largest chord is the diameter. Next, this part is called the arc. This part is called the arc. A portion of a circle is called the arc. This point is the segment. Next, the smaller part is the minor segment, larger part is the major segment. Next, this is the secant. Next, ఆర్డర్లో ఇందాక మీరు తీసుకున్నవే ఏం తీసుకున్నారు, secant, segment, నెక్స్ట్ sector, next secant, last one is the secant. Okay. So circles. So ఇక్కడ మొత్తం అన్ని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. Circle, this is the circle, this is the center of the circle, this is the radius, this is the diameter, and this is the sector, arc, minor arc, smaller part is called the minor arc, larger part is called the major arc, segment, next secant. Okay. These are the first one, circle, next radius, next diameter, next chord, this is the arc, next segment, next sector, after that secant. Okay, thank you.